Hi folks, Rick Berube here, Vice President of Sales of Berkshire Hathaway, Home Services of Arizona, California, and Nevada. And today I want to talk to you about listing more to sell more. Look, a lot of you are running around with buyers, and you should be, okay? But the best buyers to run around with are the ones you just made homeless. In our markets, all three of our markets, if you get about a 65%, 70% turnover rate, meaning that if I sell a home, I've got a buyer built into my listing, okay, 65% of the time. So every time I list, let's just make it simple. Every time I list 2 properties, I have at least 1 buyer. I get to 3, I have 2 buyers now. You see what I'm talking about? It's so much easier to deal with them. So how do you do that in a market where inventory is getting tight? I would say pick a new proactive activity. I'm already working my SOI, getting listings from that. Great. If you're not, that's a great one to add. We have people that are making a killing off old expireds right now. People in my coaching schedule. Old expireds are a tremendous source of getting new inventory. Okay, for sale by owners and for sale by owner previews. Could you imagine, not only do you have active inventory in MLS, but you've got active inventory in your head for sale by owners that will be listing now or in the near future? I know people in my schedule double ending them because they know about additional inventory. Okay, and then your farm, if you're not working your farm properly, or you can call it just listed, just sold, another area. So take your business right now, look at it, decide what proactive area you can add to what you're currently doing to keep that influx of listings. Look, you should all be working with buyers. Buyers are great. Buyer money, look, when you close a buyer, the check is good, I get it. But if you have listings, if you always have listing inventory, you will always have buyer. So you kind of like kill 2 birds with 1 stone by starting with the listing side. Consider that, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for listening.